Wow, eh? This is better than the Skywalk, and this is free. It's freaking awesome. Okay.
You're not supposed to be down there.
Who? Right? Really? This is awesome. Inside pictures, maybe later. Okay, this is a tour of the inside. Have a look. Well, there's the shitter, yeah. Shower. Nice. Back window. Next door neighbor. Alright, that's the back of the wagon. So, sit out here. We got our bed. Heater, air conditioner. We got our coffee maker. We got bottles of water. Let's take one of those now. Bottle of water now. Right here, we got our little sitting area. Right. Got our couch. Out the back door. Where's the wife? Oh, there she be. There's the view. Got the horse ranch down there. Horse riding. Horses. They've got buffalo here too. Buffalo are over there somewhere. Man, this would be awesome. Ride the bike here. Unfortunately, we came 4 wheels because the mountain passes still have snow, damn it.